Found an MGSVR file from Metal Gear Solid V multiplayer or save data? This format contains server database information used by the game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these Metal Gear Solid V server database files work. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any MGSVR file. Let's try the simple solutions first. An MGSVR file is a saved recipe created by MacGourmet, a recipe organization application for macOS. Users search for this extension when they want to open, share, or import a specific recipe file into their MacGourmet database, which contains ingredients, instructions, notes, and nutritional information. The MGSVR format is likely a proprietary XML-based or binary structure designed to encapsulate all data related to a single recipe. This self-contained design makes individual recipes portable, allowing users to easily email them or share them with other MacGourmet users without needing to export the entire database. Generally, MGSVR files are associated with Metal Gear Solid V developed by Konami. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows shows only surface-level details, so accessing the underlying data requires dedicated DB tools. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your MGSVR file and click Open With. Test with Metal Gear Solid V if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If you still cannot open your MGSVR file, that is okay. We're going to solve this with a universal tool. But first, what are the technical factors causing this MGSVR error to appear? First, letting the game manage files. MGSVR files are managed automatically by Metal Gear Solid V and should not be modified directly. The game handles all database operations through its online connection. Manual modification may corrupt save data, trigger anti-cheat detection, or break online functionality permanently for your account. Next, verifying game files. If MGSVR file issues affect gameplay use, Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files function, or PlayStation Xbox equivalent to check and repair game data. This restores corrupted MGSVR files from official sources without affecting your save progress or online standing in Metal Gear Solid V. Finally, contacting Konami support. For persistent issues with MGSVR files or online game data, contact Konami customer support. They can investigate account-specific server-side issues, restore lost progress where possible, and resolve database-related problems. Provide your platform account details and detailed problem descriptions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.